Hey everybody, Captain Ben Beecher here at MarineMax Lake of the Ozarks. Today we're on a 2022 Harris 250 Sunliner. This one's kind of tucked in tight here, so I'm going to try to show you the best I can. The color, this is a midnight blue boat, black powder coated rail, and light blue accent stripe. So really good looking boat. It's got the new bamboo flooring on it and the gray interior. So really good looking boat. Starting here at the back of the boat, you're going to see this one is a single lounger. So you're going to have the L-shaped lounger. This has a safety rail, so fender storage here. Then you can clip this across, and this way, if you wanted to ride in the back while the boat's on and moving in the state of Missouri, you are legal. Also gives you a little bit extra storage, so you don't have to dig into the seats for the fenders. Okay, climbing up the back of the boat here, you can see this one's powered by a Mercury 300 horsepower motor, ski tow bar, and then this is where I was talking about your single lounger. So you wanted a rear face lounge, this comes back like that, nice rear facing lounger, or you can just pick it up from the center, drop it down, make into a full sunbed. Okay, underneath here you have full storage. It starts here and goes all the way underneath, marries up to the front side storage there. Underneath here you have another storage. This one is drainable and it's insulated underneath here, so this doubles up as a cooler. Keep your ice in here and then drain it out once it's all melted, but insulated so it can help keep the ice there longer. All right, back here you have your rear facing speakers for whoever's out the back of the boat when you're at anchor, listen to their music. You have a remote to turn up your volume, change a song, whatever, and then this is where you plug in your battery charger there. Okay, moving forward into the boat, this back here, now you have the nice single lounger L-shaped lounger. Of course, over here, cup holders, USB. This backrest pulls forward. There's your trash can. This just flips up. Now you can pull your trash can out of there and dump out the empties. Back down, snap that back, not going anywhere. Over here, you have a high back seat with built-in bolster, and this is reclining, so you can recline this where you're comfortable, and then these are fold up and down armrests. All right. Here at the helm, the new Mercury digital throttle shifter, Simrad Go 9 glass dash, wireless charging, and of course your gel audio. It's a diamond upgrade, so you get the upgraded speakers, amp, and sub. Okay, moving forward, there's two nice big bench seats, fold down armrests, and storage underneath all of them as well as in floor. You have entry exit points off of the bow of the boat, large port side, and of course the rear. So once again, Captain Ben Beecher here at MarineMax Lake of the Ozarks. Thank you for taking the time to go through the 2023 Harris 250 Sunliner. Thanks. Have a great day.